Creating a Gmail account on an iPhone is a straightforward process. First, open the Settings app on your device and scroll down to find Mail. Tap on it and then select Accounts and choose the Add Account from the list of available providers. Select Google. Okay? You will be directed to a sign-in screen where you can choose the option to create account. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to enter basic details such as your first and last name, preferred email address, and make a password. Make sure you choose a strong password that is hard to guess. Once these details are filled out, you tap Next. Google's going to ask you to set up account recovery options, such as adding a phone number and a recovery email. This is important in case you forget your password or need to recover your account. After that, you're going to be asked to agree to Google's terms and privacy policy. All right? Now, once you've completed all these steps, your new Gmail account will be created. You can then choose which services you would like to sync with your iPhone, such as Mail, Contacts, and Calendar. Your new Gmail account will now be available for use directly in the Mail app or any other Google apps on your iPhone. Leave me a comment if this helped you out.